In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature in Pandadoc. We'll walk through the process from the moment you're inside your document all the way to getting it signed, either by you or by someone else. I'll keep things simple and clear so you can follow along even if you're completely new to Pandadoc. First, you'll want to open your content inside Pandadoc. This usually means opening the specific document or template where you need a signature. Make sure you're in the document editor view, where you can see the page and the tools around it. If you're working from a template, remember that any changes you make here, like adding signature fields, can be reused in future documents, which can save you a lot of time later. Once your document is open, look for the option to add fields and locate the signature field. This is the special field that tells Pandadoc where someone needs to sign. Click on the signature field, then click and drag it onto the part of the document where the signer should place their signature. You can drop it exactly where you want it to appear, and then adjust its position by dragging it around until it lines up nicely with your layout. After the signature field is placed, click on that field to open the small floating toolbar. This toolbar is where you connect the signature field to the right person. From here, you'll see a drop-down for recipient or role. Choose the person or role who needs to sign in that spot. For example, if the document has multiple signers, you can assign one signature to a client role and another to an internal team member. Assigning the correct recipient is important because Pandadoc uses this to know who needs to sign and in what order if you're using signing sequences. Now you're ready to either sign the document yourself or send it out. If you are the signer, simply click on the signature field you assign to yourself and choose Sign. Pandadoc will prompt you to create or confirm your signature, and then it will be applied to that field. If someone else needs to sign instead, go to the top right of the screen and click Send. This will let you email the document directly to the recipient you assigned. Once they receive it, they'll be guided through the process of reviewing and signing in the exact spot you set up.